Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very quick update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, things are looking very interesting. I mean, Bitcoin is still holding some of the most important support which we have here in the media short term. Support from this symmetrical triangle, support from this falling channel, and also looks like it might be following this Wyckoff's distribution phase. Yes guys, according to these scenarios, Bitcoin in the media short term might so furthermore shake out, but at the end it will make a new all-time high, and only after that it is going to start with an actual reversal. So before I jump into the content, please do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now first thing first, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin using the symmetrical triangle, you can see guys, the lower trend line, just like here from the past price action, is holding us, right? You can see the lower trend line even resulted in some relief rally. So if the price in the media short term holds the support which we have around 95,000 from this symmetrical triangle, then we are expecting a move towards this upper trend line before deciding the trend duration. Yes guys, if this symmetrical triangle holds the support around 96,000 for Bitcoin, then in the media short term we are expecting a relief rally, price of Bitcoin getting attracted towards the upper trend line, the most important resistance around 100,000 before deciding the trend duration, because we are aware parallelly Bitcoin is also following a scenario which resulted in a bullish breakout in the past price action. I mean, when we were following this descending channel, falling channel, we had a bullish breakout which later on resulted in a pullback, but breaking out of the upper trend line did resulted in some rally, a bullish rally. So if you look in our case, if you simply add another descending channel here, you can see guys, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin looks like inside this descending channel, another descending channel. So in the media short term, if we do see a continuation like this, then you can see again the most important resistance might be retested. I mean, Bitcoin could come back for a retest around 100,000 before choosing an actual trend duration, because as soon as this trend line gets broken, resistance around 100,000 gets broken, Bitcoin will line up perfectly with this Wyckoff's distribution phase. Despite Wyckoff distribution phase being a bearish continuation pattern, in the media short term we are expecting a move like this, just like I've shown you an example. Bitcoin heading towards this UTAD area, upper thrust after distribution, making a new all-time high, getting attracted in between 110 and 120,000, and only after that to start with a reversal. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that in the media short term we have to remain above 95,000, 96,000, because remaining above that range means we could be preparing ourselves for a continuation which might look somehow like this, because we are aware as soon as the resistance around 100,000 gets broken, parallelly according to our leading indicator, CPI indicator, Bitcoin will get attracted. As soon as this resistance, top, central and the bottom CPI line resistance gets broken, Bitcoin will get attracted towards the first target for the month of Feb, which sits around $111,000. Yes guys, as soon as this key line of resistance around 100,000 gets broken, Bitcoin will be turning very bullish. But we know this resistance won't be that easy to break, because along with the CPI indicator, we also have resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, and this crossover, what you are seeing here, is a bearish crossover. I mean, during uptrend you will always see green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, but during downtrend you will always see blue line at the top and green line at the bottom. So in our case, this is a bearish cross, blue line is appearing at the top, green line at the bottom. So any sort of a rally here in the media short term, the same trend line will be acting as resistance. Yes guys, before choosing a trend duration, first we have to overcome the resistance from this Williams alligator indicator as well. Yes guys, we have a lot of resistance which is holding the price of Bitcoin below 100,000, and now we also know another resistance which is holding us below 100,000, which is this Bollinger Band. The central line or the basis line from the Bollinger Band will be acting as additional resistance for Bitcoin, because we know during uptrend, whenever the upper band from this Bollinger Band starts breaking out, it usually indicates uptrend, and during pullback, the same basis line or the center line acts as support, right? Just like here. But during downtrend or whenever the lower band gets broken, the center line, instead of support, acts as resistance. So in our case, the lower band got broken, which is a bearish sign. Now, any sort of a rally, this center line or the basis line from this Bollinger Band will be acting as additional resistance. So you can see resistance around the upper trend line, resistance around the upper trend line, resistance from this CPI indicator, resistance from this Williams Alligator indicator, and now we also have resistance from this Bollinger Band. So we have so many different resistance lying for Bitcoin, but we know if the price follows this Wyckoff's distribution phase, a bearish continuation pattern, first there will be a move. Bitcoin, before starting with another continuation, before following this ascending broadening wedge pattern, first there could be a move like this. Bitcoin heading towards to form a new all-time high, and only after that to start with a reversal. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, Bitcoin in the medium short term has a strong resistance around 100,000, but as soon as this resistance gets broken, things are going to look very bullish for Bitcoin. So let's see whether this resistance for now gets broken or not, because even though if this bearish continuation pattern starts playing out, first we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to make a new all-time high, and only after that a reversal. So please guys, please be aware, do not overlap yourself and use proper risk management strategy. So by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.